Hey guys, so let's try to work on creating a jeepney asset. I'm going to use a 32 by 32 pixel. I think we can have 32 by 32. Let's have a new layer, jeepney layer. Let's remove the color there. From here, if this is a 32 by 32 pixel, I think we can have a configure grid by 32 divide calculator. 32 divide to can be 16 by 16. Let's see. View the grid. Okay. I think I'll go for divide by 2. It's going to be 8. So let's have the grids configured to 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from here, I want to draw some outline with a black color. And it's going to make it very simple. Let's reduce the size to 1 pixel. Make sure that we have our brush as pixel. And then let's go and draw on this side. I think we need to have another layer. And let's try to draw on this part. Initial. We can actually try to use the symmetry mirror tiling option. Let's see if that will, no, should be horizontal. Nope. Let's do the vertical. So we have that. So that's not gonna work. Let's increase the size of the image or the canvas size. Perhaps we can have this as, let's say 32 times 2 is 64. That the height will be 64. Okay, because I want to have a jeepney layer to image size, and then let's have a horizontal symmetry here, and there we go. Let's have another one. Then from here, I just want to have and some bunch of parts here. Oh, I don't want that to be too. And let's have some parts here. Okay. Then let's have some. Perhaps we can add some colors later on. Then let's throw some parts here for the Japanese. Oops. Okay, I don't want that. No, I think you need to have it a little bit bigger just to look at the jeepney jeepney's size. Let's have a little bit of mirror here, and then have some parts here that will go down. I think we would want to have let's some parts on here that will serve as that, like that. Then on the hood, we want to have some sort of I'll just go have a bit of hood here, and that's a V shape. Another one. Then we'll have part for the hood. Put that there. We want to have some sort of lighting for the Jeep, right? And let's have the sign here. Sign. Let's increase the width of the canvas. Let's say I'm going to have this. Let's say 64, 22, 64 plus 8. That's 72. 72. 32 plus 8 should be 40. Let's just see what that will look like. Then we want to center this. I think that's better. And let's I want to have no mirror again, and then vertical symmetry. The problem here is layered image sets. The symmetry doesn't seem to be in the center anymore. Can we move this? Yes, we can move it. Okay, and let's go delete this one. And let's have some parts. Let's say I want to have some shape of a wheel here. That doesn't look like a wheel. And in here, we might want to have some lines. Add some width. Or I think we can have some wood here. And we can have some bits of. Oh no, that doesn't seem to be working. So we need to have this symmetry. That doesn't need to be. It doesn't seem like it's. Hmm. Um, should that be working now? No, it's not working. The thread of the thing in the middle doesn't seem to be. See if we can have this just down. Okay, so let's just try to add some more colors. Let's have some blue color around this parts. Oops. So have some bright colors here. Let's have a little bit of pink variation for the color of skin. Let's have some blue color that's a bit light. Lighter. Okay, now let's have some gray colors. Let's go for some bit of gray color. Perhaps you can just add this. And then where's that field color? Where's the field color? Here. Field bucket field. Okay. And let's have some of the sides also. Like this one and this one. Then we'll just adjust. Let's use the field bucket. Let's have a bit of a darker gray here. Let's select none. And let's have some dark. I think we can have this a bit darker. Or let's have this color gray, then we'll have a bit of a darker color for this one, like some sort of a shadow. And I'm going to adjust this. Okay. Then let's have some light white color. Perhaps can have some light color here, some color here, and then some just to add some depth. Let's have some colorful yellow. Let's go uh, add some more white colors perhaps. I think I should have separated this, but uh, ideally, and let's have some white color from down here. Have some orange color. Have some orange color here. Okay. Let's have some red color. And some orange color. Let's add some green color. Just a colorful color of jeepneys here in the content. Let's just copy some of this from here. And then let's go with that. Let's have some green color also here. I think I'm just comfortable. In here, I want to have this as the, so let's have darker gray. Let's have some white color to this side. Skin from here. Some white color to this side. Actually, add some orange color from this side. And some green color here. Let's have some orange color from here, and some red color perhaps. And some light blue around this part of the chip. It's to make it a bit colorful. Alright, let's just let's try to copy that link, and let's have some stuff. I like that part. Oh, then let's have some gray color here, or gray color here. So some, I think this should be like added a little bit of orange. So it's here, and it's yes, this will be a cool. So some more parts here. Go get that killing color on the side. Here. Same on this side. Same green color here, just to make it colorful. And So some orange, yellow, or let's lighten that up a bit. Okay, then perhaps for the lights here, we can have some white illumination. Perhaps you can increase this. Let's have some green. That might do. Let's have some white here. Let's have some dark blue. Let's have some red. And some bits of yellow. And you want to have some curves here for the bumper. And what we can do, just go copy this. Duplicate. Let's go get this part. And let's try to flip it on the side. And um, no, this is the one that we want to do here. So to click this part, so that this part to make it look similar, right? So what we can just duplicate this and this one duplicate also. And I'm just gonna hold this too, just in case. Now we have that part there. And in here, I think something's not correct here. Uh, on this part, I want to straight line. Oh, I think we have lost this part here. Let's see if I can just help this and then flip it to the other side just to make it look a bit similar in this one. It's going to be better. And here we just want to also to colors. I think there's no more symmetry on the end, but that's it. Let's have some color red. That's your maybe some parts will be colored green. This part will be colored green. Let's add some darker color. Some white caps here. Mm, yeah, right. And let's have some bits of perhaps dark gray, perhaps. Mm, some parts of the hood. Now we have a jeep. Uh, doesn't look like it, but we do have a jeep. We have a bit of a jeep now here. I'll stick with this one. Hey, now we have a jeep sprite.